Hey everybody, we're back here in the Property Revolution office talking about why we do things the way we do here at Property Revolution. One of the questions we get asked sometimes is, why do other contractors not do repairs? This is fairly straightforward, and I've got 3 reasons for that. Repairs can be difficult to manage, especially when you think about like a roofing repair. They can be tricky to sort out, tricky to figure out where the water's coming in. A lot of times leaks are deceptive. You got a spot in one part of the house, but the origin of the leak is somewhere else. So it can be really difficult to train employees and actually manage that and make sure that repairs are being done well. And here at Property Revolution, we've got a great tech. His name's Josiah. He's typically the one that handles those types of repairs. And then another reason that other contractors don't do repairs is replacements are just more profitable. If you look at the amount of time that gets invested in setting up the time to go to someone's home to fix something small, and the amount of communication that's involved with that versus the amount of work and communication that goes into just doing a full replacement. A full replacement is more profitable for the overhead of the company. And then some companies just have a super narrow focus. They just say, we only want to do this type of project and we only want to do replacements. And I understand those things, but here at Property Revolution, since day one, we've built the bulk of our business through relationships. We meet people, we build relationships with them, and a lot of people have used us every year over and over and over, really even since the day we started. We have people who have invoices in our system year 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, because we've built those relationships and we try to serve people well. And one of the ways we want to do that is by offering repairs. We want to be able to serve you when you have a small need in addition to when you have a full replacement. So we think it's short-sighted for other companies not to provide that service to be able to handle repairs, because just because your roof leaks doesn't mean that it needs to be replaced. So hope this helps answer that question. And if you do find yourself in need of a roof, siding, deck, or fence repair here in West Michigan, our team here at Property Revolution would be happy to help. Thanks everybody.